Now let us have a look at image slideshow, for which you have to select the source as image slideshow, then add. OK. You can give as the slide mode can be changed to manual because it's more easy to use. Then scroll down, select the file. You have to convert the PPT files as JPEG formerly itself. So add files. I'm selecting a file from my D drive. These are the slides that I have converted. Select a few slides. Okay, open. You can see all the slides are coming up here. Now click OK. The next thing you have to do is select hotkeys. As we have set it as manual, we have to enable hotkeys. For that, click on File, go to Settings, select Hotkeys, then Image Slideshow. For image slideshow, we have to start next slide as right key, previous slide as left key. Likewise, there is also one more there, right key and left key. So if it is set, click OK. Now we can see that by clicking the right key, the slide is moving. So this is one of my research topic. I have converted into JPEG first. Then we can easily go on discussing the topic, presenting the topic, and this will be recorded. The last option is how to incorporate your image, your face, along with your PPT presentations. So for that, again go to the source button, the same scene itself, in the same scene 1 itself, click the plus option, add the video capture device and select OK. Now again our face is coming up. You can give OK and you can set here or here wherever you need. You can resize your image and then you can go on your presentations likewise. So this is how we can use the 7 utilities provided by OBS in a very effective way to create our e-content.